Hi, Miss A here.
And Mr. E.
We're going to go over some farm animals because this week we are going over the farm and we have some activities that are farm related. So we wanted to go over the animals with you real quick. We're going to do our animals in English, in Spanish, in sign language, and then Mr. E will help us with the noises that they make. Okay? He's our sound effects guy for the day. So behind me we have a cat. Cat in Spanish, do you know?
Gato.
You're right, gato. And in sign language, you're going to make your fingers make the whiskers of the cat. Okay? So cat, gato, and that's the sign for it. And there's a lot of barn animals out there, barn cats. All right, what's our next? Oh, what is the sound? Sorry, I forgot the sound. Meow.
Or what happens when they're mad? What do they do?
Yes, that's true. That's the sound they
You
make.
almost left my part off.
I almost forgot you. Sorry. Okay, next. A chicken! I love chicken. I love to eat chicken. Okay, so in English it's chicken. In Spanish, do you know?
I call it pollo.
Okay, pollo is if you're eating chicken. I usually cut a gallina or gallino, depending on if it's a boy or a girl, I guess. But that's like the animal, I believe, and pollo would be what you're eating. So the sign for chicken, you have your fingers up here like a beak, and you're going to come down and peck at some food, because that's how they eat. So that's how we do chicken in sign language. And what do they sound like, Mr. E?
Well, this one sounds like this. But a regular chicken goes something like that.
Sounds like that.
Oh, cheep,
All
cheep,
right.
cheep, 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 cheep.
We should have probably got the official rooster. No. The official rooster Spanish name, because now I'm wondering if chicken and rooster are different names. But I'm sorry, my Spanish is limited. Okay.
It's a type of chicken, though.
It is a kind of chicken, but it's a rooster. So it may be gallino, but it may not. Okay, let's go on. What's that? It's a cow. Okay, a cow. In Spanish.
Vaca.
You're right, vaca. There you go. In sign language, you make your horns. Okay? Just like this. That's cow. And then what does it sound like? Well, that sounded almost real.
I learned that from Diego. He taught me that.
Yes, he does. How funny. Okay, good cow sounds. Okay, let's go to the next animal. Oh, it's a dog. I love dogs. Okay, Mr. E, what is dog in Spanish?
This one's hard.
It is hard for me.
Perro.
Perro.
Hey,
Yes.
got it.
You did
Yes.
not. You didn't do bad at all. Okay, in sign language, you're going to act as if you're calling your dog. And normally when we call our dog, we kind of snap and hit our thigh. So this is the way this is a dog, okay? And what does it sound like? There you go. Big dog. All right. Mine more. Oh, it's a duck. That's a cute picture of ducks. Okay, so in English, it's duck. In Spanish,
Pato.
pato. Yes,
Hey.
pato. Okay, and in sign language, you're going to make the bill of the duck. So right in front. Don't go sideways, go right in front. Okay, and what does a duck sound like?
Quack, 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 quack.
There you go. There's the duck
Quack,
for
quack,
you.
quack.
All right, next. Oh, horses. Okay. In English, it's horse. In Spanish, it's
Caballo.
caballo. Very good. And in sign language, you make an H. Put it up for their ears. Put them together, not.
Oh, like that.
Yes.
Okay, there we go.
There you go. That's horse. And what do they sound like? All right. There
Something
you
like
have
that, I
it.
think.
That's what the horse sounds like. Goats. I love goats. Okay, goats. In English, it's goats. In Spanish,
Chivo.
chivo. Very good, chivo. And in sign language, you're going to put your fingers together like the billy goat's goatee. And then you're going to bring it up and make horns. So down here, bring it up and make horns. That's goat in sign language. And what do they sound like, Mr. E?
Something like that. I'm not a very good goater.
I'm not even going to try. So he did better than I did. Next, we have bunny rabbits. So in English, you can call them bunnies or you can call them rabbits. In Spanish,
Conejo. Conejo.
Conejo.
Conejo.
Conejo, but he tried. He's been learning this just today. So conejo. In sign language, you're gonna put 2 fingers out and you're gonna cross them in front of you. So rabbit. Okay? And what do they sound like?
Like
Can
they're
you
eating
hear-
carrots.
Can you hear that? He sounds pretty good. That sounded
Their
pretty
teeth
good.
are
I was
going-
like, how are we gonna make a rabbit sound? He did perfect. Okay. My favorite, a piggy. Oh, I love them. So we got piglets, we got hog, we got pig, we got lots of names for a pig at the farm. In Spanish,
I don't know this one.
cerdo.
Cerdo.
So I used to call him puerco, but I learned that it's called cerdo or cerda, depending on if it's a female or a male. In sign language, you're going to put your hand underneath you and you're going to go like this.
Like you're grabbing something? Is that what that's
You're
like?
just kind of moving it back and forth. I
Okay.
think it also means kind of like dirty.
Okay.
Because
'Cause a pig
everybody
is-
equates a pig with being dirty because of the mud.
In the mud.
So, there you
Got
go.
it.
What does this sound like? There you have it. Right for Mr. E. All right. Oh, sheep. I love sheep. All right. What do you call? Okay, wait. A sheep could be called a sheep or a lamb. So there's 2 different names for that particular animal on the farm.
I do not know this one.
Oveja.
Oveja.
So oveja is
Oh,
how
I did learn that one today.
You
I-
did learn that.
And I forgot it.
It's hard. If you don't use them, you forget them.
Yeah.
So yes, oveja. He actually found it out for me because it was one that I had forgotten. In sign language, you're going to put your arm out. This is acting as the sheep, and then you're going to shear the sheep because they have the long fur or the long wool. So you're going to pretend you're shearing a sheep. So that's how you do sign language for sheep or lamb. And what do they sound like?
Ma, ma.
All right, there you have it. There's our farm. We went through quite a few animals. I'm sure there's quite a few more that we forgot, like a barn owl and mouse,
Oh, yeah.
maybe. Right. So, if we've forgotten some, you can let us know. But enjoy this video. Learn the sounds. Learn it in Spanish. Learn it in sign language. There you go.
Got it.
See
See you
ya.
guys. Thanks.